Hello traders, this is the midweek market focus of the 12th of the 12th of the 12th. Now it's 1 p.m. and you're gonna watch the video, well, it's gonna be available 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. Normally it takes a bit of a while to upload after the rendering and to put it up on the website and everything. That we have to check that the zip file is on it and everything. So just be patient and keep on refreshing your page, and then you'll get it. Right. Okay. Let's get started. I'm going to scan through the market on currencies first, as usual, and then I'm going to move on to stocks, and then also indices, and also I'd like to have a quick look at commodities as well. Right, now what's happening in the market is basically we're getting the Christmas rallies. Euro is going up, cable is going up, Kiwi is going up, Aussie is going up. That means that the dollar index is devaluating, so the dollar index is going down. Therefore, equities are going up, right? So U.S. equities tends to rally just before Christmas, because some of those companies are going to close the year as December finishes, and they want to close the year nicely in profit. That's why we have some rallies just before Christmas. So as I said, dollar index is devaluating against the euro, cable, Kiwi and Aussie, and equities goes up. Alright? Okay, let's get started. Now we have some overextensions in most of the majors and minors, including Japanese yen as well, which is rallying up north. So if you go into euro dollar, and the way I trade myself is to have the 4 time frames in the same screen. So we have the daily chart, 4 hourly, 60 minute and 5 minutes. And daily chart is currently pushing up. We have 3 buyer bars in a row after bouncing off the 50 moving average. So it's going up. This is also above, and it's going up. 60 minutes going up, and now we go into the 5 minute time frame. On the Asian market tends to go flat. We had a few good snipers yesterday, because that was midnight, and yesterday we had some good snipers here, making higher highs and high lows, going up, and the entry point is as it touches the 50 moving average. Now it's 20 pips down and 20 pips up. 20 pips down for the stop loss and 20 pips up for the target. And now it's after that it went flat until 7 a.m. in the morning, and that's when the London session kicks in, followed by the US market. So we can even put some lines on it as well, just to remember that this was the Asian market, which is spot on. It doesn't do anything, see? That's why we use the snapback at night. Most of the times on the Asian market, the market just goes flat. It's the Australasian, right? And this is the London session. That was the London session, followed by the US session, Australasian market, and again London session going up again. Alright? So we're looking to buy. We're looking for these cycles. Phase 1, Phase 2, buy there for a sniper. Phase 1, Phase 2, buy there as it touches for a sniper. Even if it's 1 pip away and you don't have an arrow, you can still buy. Make sure you put the linear regression on and just follow the pattern. Follow the cycles. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 1, Phase 2. And then the 50 MA is going to interact with the price action, and it's going to touch the 50 MA, and then it's going to bounce off it again. So you're looking for these clear bounces. The more clear, the better. If you don't have an arrow on the pencil, draw the line that that you'll have, which is a small little blue line. Then if you go to edit and you put an arrow down here, and then you put it's the thickness number 2, and then change the color, and click on default, save current setting as default, and then OK. So you're gonna have a nice arrow, which is gonna help to draw the cycles. You can even draw some. You can even speculate as well. So let's say, okay, I think the phase 2 is pulling back down, and it's gonna touch the 50. I'm gonna buy there, and then it's gonna bounce off it, and then it's gonna pull back down. So there is a speculation, and it's gonna take from here to here to 1 hour. Then it's gonna take 2 more hours or so, right? So we're speculating what is gonna happen within the next hour or 2. Okay, and as I said, having a nice rally. Now cable is going up nicely as well. It just broken through the this level here, the previous swing high, and is still pushing up, right? So that's the daily chart, followed by the 4-hourly chart, then the 60-minute and the 5-minute. On the 5 minutes, these are a bit too long, and there's a shallow retracement. I will leave it alone. Even if it touches, I wouldn't buy there, because I like to have the clear faces, like here, right? That's a bit slightly better, right? Some clear cycles there. If it's messing about, even if you take it here long, and it's messing about like that, and it's going nowhere, I'll be looking to come out. I'll be looking to come out and close the trade at break even, because I wanted to touch and bounce, touch the 50 and bounce again, like that, right? I wanted to go up straight. I don't want it to be messing about. If it's messing about, just close the trade. Okay, and also focus on quality over quantity and look for the good opportunities out there. It has to be making higher highs and higher lows, and take it on the 50 EMA. The entry point is always on the red line there. This for the snipers, yeah. Make sure you synchronize the 60 with a 5-minute time frame. And then the daily chart is telling you the overall picture, yeah, the bigger picture. I'm going to Japanese yen now. I've been telling my clients to buy Japanese yen since September, October, and this is what it is now. Right, it's reaching the 83 level. Right, it hasn't reached the 83 level for like almost a year. How much is it? Yeah, like 6 months, 8 months or so. Yeah, quite a while. Yeah, 1 year we'll be there. So it's around 8 months or so. And that's what it is now, reaching the 83 level. It was giving some good opportunities here. In fact, I was taking it long. I put an order here, didn't get triggered. Then I put an order here, didn't get triggered. Then I put an order here, got triggered. Took me in the trade. And I think I came out. I think I got stopped out somewhere. Here. Right? Because this low took this low out, and I got stopped out. I was trying the stop was a bit too aggressive, actually. And then I missed this one here, and that was a good trade. So I've taken that one. That was a good trade off a level there, right up to this level, hitting my target on that. So not gonna complain, and it's still pushing up. Okay. What you can do in this kind of a scenario is to open a trade, move it to break even, and let it run. Just let it run for months. And also you can scale out and scale in, and you can do different things here and there. But speak to your coach about that to get it right. Okay. Now let's move on. Swissie is pushing down because euro is going up. That's why Swissie is going down. I will personally ignore these triggers here because it's not going down, and I like to see that the chart is pushing down and the linear regressions are going down before me trading it. So if we go forward, Right, it is making lower highs and lower lows. Now it's making a higher high, so I don't like it anymore. And also the linear regression is not going down. So look now, we have flat EMAs as well. Linear regression is going up, so we're definitely not going to touch it until it starts making lower highs and lower lows. Now this low hasn't been broken just yet. Waiting for this low to be broken. This line is still pushing up. There's no momentum behind it. It's just going flat. Now it's breaking through. Just a little spike that is not considered as a breakout. It's a tiny little lower. There we go. That's a breakout, right? This low is lower than these lows. That's considered as a breakout. Now, shame it didn't give an entry, because I would have been waiting for some kind of pullback to the 50 moving average and then sell it there. Sell it here. And it just went all the way down from there, right? Didn't give any entry. It gave one entry there, but this low, well, possibly that one there, yeah. This low is lower than these lows. And as it goes up, gives an entry, and then straight down 20 pips. 20 pips is there. That's it, 1%. Done. Right? Now, let's move on. Kiwi. Kiwi and Aussie was giving beautiful snipers on and on. Yesterday and today. So if we go back. So basically ignore it here until it's making higher highs and higher lows. This is the first swing high. Yeah, it's taking these highs out. And now we can trade it there. All the way. It's just making higher highs and higher lows all the way. Right? This is the Asian market, goes flat. Stay away from the market on the Asian market. Now this is the first higher high. Then you can carry on trading. Now, there is a pullback. Is breaking through the 50 MA, so we'll leave it alone there. I like to see that it's bouncing of it, like here. That's a nice bounce. Right, we go to Aussie. Also, it's giving some nice snipers still, and it's bouncing on the 50, so that's good. You can take any of those. Leave it alone on the Asian market. So we leave it alone in this area at night. Oh, sorry, I wanted to put a vertical line, so we leave it alone from here to here. Don't touch it. It's the Asian market. You're looking to trade in the London session and the US session. Right, so that's the London session. Pushing up, making high highs and high lows. You're looking to take any of those. Leave it alone here, and then you can carry on placing trades here, which is the London session. So it can be there, right, all the way. Make sure it's making the higher highs that we want. So the next high has to be higher than the previous high. Then you can take it as it touches the 50 there. Okay. Aussie and Kiwi, they are very similar. And then Euro and Pound. There it is. Euro Pound. From the top, came back down. It's bouncing off this nice trend. That's a beautiful level there. Bounced off it and it's going up. Right. Bounce on the 50 moving average. And it's making an ascending triangle here as well. So what you're waiting for, that is quite likely. If you break through this high, it's gonna break through, pull back down, retest, and then go. Or it can touch, and then tank from there. So these are the two scenarios. So it's gonna touch several times. This level here is gonna be acting like a magnet. Right? So it's gonna be absorbing the price until it reaches this level here. This is quite likely, this move here. It's going to be messing about within the triangle until it breaks through of the trend line of this horizontal level. Great, that was Euro pounds. Let's move on. If we go on to Have a quick look here for income generators, end of day, euro. We also got the entry here, although didn't get triggered, but it wasn't making high highs and high lows. For those of you who wanted to take it up to the top of the range, that was a good trade there. Entry here, stop loss there. Entry 5 pips above the bar. Stop loss 100 pips below the bar. Didn't get triggered, so we cancelled it. So there's no trade. Although what you can do is to move the entry and put it here. Entry here, stop loss there. Let it go to the not to the white line, but to the just before the horizontal level. So there, that's the target. Okay, so it's not too far away. What you can do now is to move the stop to break even. If for those of you who are master traders, if you follow the IG rules, the entry here you would have moved it down to here, but it's based on the same principle. And also, what you have to do is to then you wait for the day 2 to finish, and then as this bar finishes, you move the stop loss from the low to here, and you put it 5 pips below the low of the bar, and then you just let it run. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a trend line, beautiful trend line that we have. Okay. So it's very similar to Euro Pound. Remember the triangle, ascending triangle? There it is, very similar. So this level is like a magnet. Okay, so it's heading towards the level there. Right. So okay, the highs are flat. Yeah, they're not getting any higher or any lower. Flat highs are flat, and the lows are getting higher. That's what is happening here. And in terms of Fibonacci levels, for those of you who are trading with Fibonacci levels, there we go, spot on. 50th level. From the swing low to the swing high, reverses 50% of the move before it carries on, right? Spot on there. Cannot be any better than that. There we go. And we have confluence of levels. So we have the trend line, we have the 50 Fibonacci level, and I believe we have the 50 moving average there as well. I think it was. Let's check it out. There we go. Spot on. So we got confluence of levels. We got 50 bouncing on the 50 moving average, phase 2 finish, trend line, and the 50 Fibonacci level. Yeah, that's a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, and it goes straight up to the magnet. Okay, up here. So the reward is only 140 something pips. Yeah. By taking it there where the high is. So it's still there. Just let it run towards the target. What else we've got here? That's a beautiful trade there as well. Lotus bar, income generator, entry here, stop loss there, let it go. Okay? And it's kicking in. Day 2 finish, day 3 move the stop loss there. When this bar closes, move the stop loss there. Target is the white line. Great. What else we've got? Next one, Japanese yen. Oh, Japanese yen long all the way, all the yen pairs long all the way. Right? As I said, I've been telling my clients to buy since it was down here, it was like 76 or 77 or so. And that's what it is now, 83. It's reaching the 83 level. Wait for a little pullback and position yourself for long. Next one, Swissy short. It's like buying the euro. So Swissy short, onto here. And entry here, stop loss there. Target the white line. I wouldn't target any lower than this level, to be honest. That'd be my target based on the horizontal level. But again, that's personal preference. Kiwi straight to the upside. There we go. Shame this one didn't kick in. It wasn't making high highs and high lows, so I wasn't gonna take it, right? and not even flat, so it was pushing down. So if it's pushing down, I'm looking to sell. If it's pushing up, I'm looking to buy. So that was pushing down, so we missed that. I mean, we couldn't take it because it was pushing down. Next one, Canadian. Canadian, it's a big mess. I wouldn't be trading Canadian now. Doesn't know what it's doing. And also it's driven by the oil price as well. Aussie. Aussie is pushing up. Can take any of the income generators going up. And okay, here is the key now. Trend is going up. Put your levels on it. Level here. Copy and paste it. There, that's your channel. Now you have to identify the 20% of the move, the buying zone and selling zone. For those of you who have coaching sessions with me, will know what I'm talking about. If not, I'm gonna cover that anyways. And if that's 0 and that's 100, there is 20% of the move. So don't buy here, don't buy there, buy in the buying zone. You have more chances to win big if you buy in the buying zone than if you buy halfway through the cycle. So you're looking to buy down here and then take it up to the white line. Okay, there's more money to be made if you buy at the bottom than if you buy halfway through or really close to the white line, because there are no pips there to be made. What else? Euro pound. Euro pound. As I said, there's a beautiful trend line going up. It's not making high highs, high lows. Well, we went through this one here already, so I'm not gonna go through this chart again. Oops. As I said, it's an ascending triangle, and it's heading back up to the top bit of the channel. And Euro Yen, all the yen crosses, look for pullbacks and buy it. Just position yourself for long. So wait for pullbacks and look to buy it. All right. So phase one, pullback, buy it. Over and over again. So that, as we know, if the channel is going up, we're looking to buy it. Look to buy at the bottom, don't look to buy at the top. Don't buy that one, because it's going to pull back, which is what it did. That one you can buy. Enter here, stop loss here, because it's right at the bottom, see? Right at the bottom, then you can buy it. Okay? Cool. I'm going to move on to stocks. What is it? There we go. Stocks, right. As I said, all banks has been pushing upwards for the past 3-4 months. So I'm gonna go into the banking sector. There we go. Barclays pushing up, making high highs and high lows. Now it seems to be that it's running out of steam, and it's also making an ascending triangle as well. Alright, so it's making an ascending triangle, and for those of you who are trading ascending triangles, enter here, stop loss here, let it go. Okay, I don't like to see this spike here, because basically what can happen is that it might take you in, and then it's gonna push down, and then we're gonna get stopped out. So it's better if this level is very solid, so you can put an entry above the high, stop loss below the low. So if it breaks through, it's gonna take you in, and then it's gonna carry on. Okay, what it might do is it might break through, pull back down, and then go. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Next one, HSBC. I took it long here. Beautiful. And that was one of the best trades I had in November on stocks. HSBC. Phase 1, pullback, latest bar of the 50. There we go. Let's see if there's anything on actually level, swing low to swing high. 38 level. Right. From the swing low to the swing high, it reverses 38% of the move before it carries on. Latest bar, 50 MA, phase 2 finish, and that's it, all the way. So entry above the high, stop loss below the low, and goes up, and I think I came out there. That was my target, top of the range. Okay, goes up top, pull back down slightly, back up again. But again, I'm happy enough to make my, I think it was at 2.3 to 1, I believe it was. So that was the risk. Actually, let me just do it again. It's not that precise. Let me make it bigger. There we go. That was the risk. I was about to get stopped out. I was very, very close to get stopped out. Likely enough, I didn't get stopped out. And I had a beautiful winning trade. So there we go. So 1 point. I think it was a 1.9 to 1. Yep. So that's your 1%, and that's another percent, and almost another percent. It reaches the top. Always, I never put my target. If I'm targeting the highs, I never target the peak, the real peak. I target just below the real peak, right? Because that's what happens. Doesn't reach the peak, and it pulls back down. But look what happened after it went up. But anyways, it doesn't normally reach the peak on that first attempt, unless it breaks through big time. But I was happy enough to take it from here to there, came out, and still pushing up. So if it pulls back down again, sorry, let me take these levels out. If it pulls back down again, you know what you have to do. Position yourself for long. Okay, it's making high highs and high lows. I'm gonna go and copy and paste this one here. So you know what to buy. Oops, did that by mistake. Let me copy and paste it. There we go. So position yourself for long when it's at the buying zone, the 20% of the move down here. So don't buy up here, buy down here. So you can do that over and over again until the channel is being broken. Lloyds, I made some good money on Lloyds as well. Took quite a few nice bounces. Right, it's giving an ascending triangle. The highs are not getting any higher. It's very similar to Barclays, but it's much better. The ascending triangle is just the way I like it. It's solid. It's a solid level. Yeah, can we see this level hasn't been broken? So you can put a tight, you put an entry here. Stop loss there. Let it go. Right. So if you break through, you're looking for a breakthrough and go. You don't want it to make a false breakout and then tank. You want it to break out and just carry on going north, right? So you're waiting for. Okay, the longer it stays within the triangle, the better it is, because then it's gonna kick in. When it kicks in, it will go. And that is gonna break through the triangle within the next couple of days. So it might break through today, tomorrow, or Friday or Monday, but it's gonna break through very early because there is no room. I mean, there's just no room, right? So it has to break through. Either way, if you break through the downside, it's gonna pull back down to the 50. If you break through, it's gonna go down to this low. If you break through the highs, it's gonna break through, retest, then go, or it might just break through and make a shallow retracement and then go from there. But yeah, I mean, if it's going up, I'm looking to buy it. All right, and that's the chart. All banks have been going up, so we go with the flow. Yeah, go with the trend. RBS, similar pattern. This level is not that solid. Might pull back down a little bit and then go from there. I'm gonna see what's happening here. Leave it alone. Bars are too big. Leave it alone. Too choppy. Choppy. It's not breaking the highs. Not much happening there. That could be a good breakout, but there's a spike there. Next one. Nothing there. Next one. That's not bad. It's making high highs. Wow, that's a beautiful trend. This is a beautiful trend going up non-stop, and this is where you have to put your money. Okay. There we go. The trend is your friend until it bends to an end. Stick to the trend, and if it's going up, just buy it. Okay, and we know what to buy. Buy at the bottom. Don't buy at the top, because then it's going to go against you. If you buy up here, it's going to reverse. Buy anywhere in the buying zone. Look for a nice low test bar bouncing of the 50 or the 20. If you're looking for 20 bounces, you can take it as it touches the 20 moving average. If you're looking for power plays, and wait for a nice pullback, choose sell bars followed by a buy bar and buy it. Is it making high highs and high lows? Yes, it is. Making high highs and high lows just about. And yeah, wait for a pullback and buy it again. Okay, let's see what else is setting up here. Next one. And that's alright. Making high highs and high lows, going up. This high is higher than this high, going up, bouncing on the 20. That's not a bad one. Question is, the trend is a bit too sharp. Don't know if it's really gonna. Don't know if it's gonna carry on. It looks okay. There are better ones out there, especially when there's some nice highs up here. Although I quite like this level, because that means that price action will be heading towards this level. So it's something there to look at from here to there. Okay, a nice low test bar. Even if it pulls back down to the 50, beautiful low test of the 50 and jump off the high, stop loss below the low, straight up. Right, William Hill. Nothing there. Next one, Ladbrokes. That looks very good. This is what you're looking to trade as well. Wait for pullbacks and buy it. Okay, so look for clear trends. The clearer the better. Follow your rules. Be disciplined and just wait for your patterns. Wait for your setups. Let's have a look at the FTSE 100. Is right at the top. This is right at the top. It's breaking through. That's why dollar index is going down and equities are going up, yeah, including indices. Obviously, if equities are going up, sectors are going up, and indices are going up as well. Yeah. UK indices and US indices, mostly US indices. Yeah, this is right at the top, and I wouldn't touch it there, to be honest. I would leave it alone. And FTSE 350, same story. It's breaking through, actually. It's breaking through these highs, and it's reaching the level up here. There we go. It's reaching this level here. So the sooner the later it's going to be pulling back down. Sooner the later it's going to be pulling back down. And then if it breaks through, it's going to go up and again and again. Right? Although it hasn't broken through for 6 months or so. On the next high, if it breaks through, it's going to go up to. If it breaks through, it's going to go up to this level. Right? And then very unlikely it's going to break through, I would say. It's going to pull back down, mess about. And then if it does break through, it's going to go to the next level. And then it's going to go into sections, right? It's going to go to this level, then that, then this level here, and then to the top of the range there. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Put all your levels on it, and just look at the sections. And if you break through one section, it's going to be hanging around in another section. And then if you break through, it's going to go into the next section, and so on. Right. So what I'm going to do now is to have a look at silver. Actually, I'm gonna have a look at gold. XAU space A0 dash FX. There we go, this is gold. Put the levels on it. Okay, do we have a level here? Yes, we do. A bit of a triangle there as well. Price action is going up now. It's making lower highs and lower lows. So there is a bit of a level here as well. Bit of a symmetrical triangle and also an ascending triangle. So I will leave it like that and see what is going to happen. Right. I'll be looking. Keep an eye on these sections. Obviously, if you break through one section, it's going to go into the next section and so on. Look for high test bars and low test bars, higher highs and higher lows, and so on. And you can also look at the Fibonacci levels. If you're not familiar with the Fibonacci levels, speak to your coach, and he's going to show you. Well, he's going to tell you first of all if you are ready to go to move on to the Fibonacci levels. If not, basically, you have to prove that you're ready to go on to the Fibonacci levels, and basically Fibonacci levels applies more for end of day trading. You can use it on the 60-minute, 4-hourly, daily chart, and it's just something extra for you to keep an eye on. Right? Okay, I hope you enjoy this midweek market focus. As I said, wait for the setup to come, go through a checklist, tick the boxes, and if it's there, go for it. If it's not there, just leave it alone. Try to get the right entry, don't chase the trade, be patient, discipline, risk manage accordingly, and yeah, all the best. Have a good Christmas, and I'll catch you all next year. Alright? Okay, you take care, and all the best, happy trading, and as I said, I'm looking forward to see you next year for some nice profits. Take care, bye now.